Hello, my name's Charles Lastic. I'm the Managing Director of Blue Bond Tax Planning. I've been an inheritance tax specialist for more than 18 years and have helped hundreds of clients save millions of pounds in their inheritance tax planning and implementation. So today's video is around AIM shares and should you use AIM shares to help you avoid inheritance tax? So today's video is around AIM shares and should you use AIM shares to help you avoid inheritance tax. Now they carry a lot of advantages. So you own the assets are in your name. If you want to surrender them you can do and get the capital back. You have to keep them until your death, and if you're holding them on death then they should get a business relief plan under the current rules at least, and therefore after 2 years they're outside your estate. So there's a lot to like. However, I've got to say I'm not a lover. Why? Because I think the risk on these particular investments is high, and even higher than other types of business relief plans, because generally they're in quite small companies which are generally quite volatile. But the biggest issue I have with it is that, 10 years ago I had to really turn over every rock possible to find a manager who would manage AIM shares under a relatively low risk portfolio for inheritance tax purposes. And now I get an email almost every day saying there's this service and that service. I just think it's being utilised to quite a high degree, and really that's not what business relief is about. So to stop that, all the government needs to do is to recognise the AIM exchange. And if they do that, it would lose its business relief immediately. Now, if you're in your late 80s when that happens, and you've got hundreds of thousands of pounds in AIM stocks, right, you've got a problem, because now you haven't got the 7 years with which to put the money into trusts and things like that. So with the level of risk these plans take, and the fact that the inheritance tax benefits could be wiped out in one go, I'm not a big believer in AIM stocks, and really we don't advise clients to go into them. If we have to, other types of business relief plans carry, I believe, significantly lower risks and less chances of losing their business relief entitlement. So that's what we would normally advise clients to do. So I hope you find that useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and a like, and that would be appreciated as it helps the channel. But thanks for listening, and goodbye for now. Bye.